What is the feeling? Every day is different. Because every day is a different day. We have an incredible time. Hello, welcome to Sabor. Today we're gonna spend the time together. My name is Nieves Barragán. I'm the chef owner from Sabor. That's the specials. Look at the beauties. I miss them, you know? I've been being here for a while. You see, we are in the morning now preparing all the fresh ingredients that we received today in Sabor. And we just need to try to make as quick possible to make sure that we're ready by 12 o'clock. All right? Okay.
Good chef.
Oh, thank you, Joaquin. Very sweet. I always have artichokes in my menu when they are available. First we clean them, then we turn them, putting in water with lemon. How is it going here? Serve it with the black garlic alioli, confit egg yolk, and a ham. The coffee. Putting in water with lemon, and then we are going to confit in olive oil, garlic, and a lot of herbs. Cartouche. You're gonna put in the oven half an hour. Yes, chef. That's all. When I came to London, I never tried before the rhubarb, talking about many years ago. We're gonna cut them, we're gonna cut it in lengths like this. See? We're gonna marinate in sugar overnight to lose all the juices. Then we're gonna put in the fridge. You see the rhubarb? We poach it in brandy, blood orange, a lot of spices. Then it will be the tarteleta with a pastry, whiskey mascarpone, and all the rhubarb on top.
Okay, fish arrived, delivered.
Wow! Look at that! Look at these beauties. Super fresh. We're gonna clean them. Sometimes we grill them, do many things. Sometimes we serve it as a carpaccio. Look at that. Look at this. With the coral, sometimes we make like a botarga, a butter. When I open Sabor, I always want to make sure that the guests, when they sit down next to us, they feel like they're at home. So tiles is very Spanish. So when you sit down here, what you get is it brings you like, basically like you are at home. We're cooking in front of you like you are in my house. At 10 o'clock, we start to prepare a little bit of breakfast time with the whole team, with the front of house and with the kitchen team. It's very important for us to sit down and sit down together and have our breakfast. Now we're going to the asador. Chicos, cochinillos, we're gonna turn around the suckling pigs. Yeah. At 11 o'clock, we come back. We carry on doing, finalize the dishes that we do, the specials of the day. And then at 20 past 11, we do the briefing. We explain the team, what is happening on the specials today. Then we try to keep it as late as possible. So 11:45, 15 minutes. We have to set the ice and do all the seafood display. Like this is ready and shiny for the guests at 12 o'clock. We got so much respect for the food that There's nothing to hide. We set up, we carry on working, and we need to make sure that we are spot on by 12 o'clock. Service start 12 o'clock. It's the best feeling to be open kitchens, to interact with the customers. The chefs, they interact with the customers. Is the best. That's what is hospitality. And here we got nothing to hide. Everything is open plan. So the customers, they get absolutely everything. To see, to talk. They can see it, they can smell it, they can feel it. This is a whiskey mascarpone cream. The rhubarb. And now we're just gonna plate it. They're soft, but they're still having some texture. So my mommy was a cook. So I was very young, I was already having a knife in my hand, trying to help with my mom in the kitchen. More reduction, icing sugar, a little bit of mint. So that's the Rhubarb Tarteleta. The crispy fried artichokes. It's the Iberico pork. So by 3:30 we finish the service. We have to clean all the service, all the kitchen. I keep traveling to Spain, I keep traveling around the world just to get the best for Sabor. Super important to transport the people that's coming to Sabor, transport them to Spain. This is what we want, what we're looking for. When I came to London, I hardly can speak English. I was working in a French restaurant. I was learning so much, and up to today, I still learning so much. You keep learning. You're always learning. The more you travel, the more you realize that you don't know much about cooking. For me, when I go home, I need an hour for me to reflect what happened on that day, how we can improve for the second day. So that's it from me. Please go and watch now, my dear friend, Adjo Baccaret, spend the day with her. Thank you.